Hi, I'm Mark from Alabama Small Engine. Today we're working on a Craftsman T2600 riding lawnmower. The steering wheel is really hard to turn. It's either the wheels are even up in the air and it's hard to turn on the ground. You have to use both hands to turn it. Then when you turn it, that's all the farther it turns, and that's all the farther it turns that way. So we're going to check the two where the axles go up in them and where the bushings are. We're going to make sure they turn easy. If not, I noticed here under the gas tank where the half moon gear is, that's all packed full of grass. So we're to take the gas tank out and clean all that up there too and make it so this thing can turn so they can actually mow their lawn a lot better. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, got the hood off. Pop this off here. It's kind of stiff, but not that bad. So we got our problem is back under here. Well, Maduma, there's two Zerks on here. They probably never been greased since it was new. Let's get them greased up. Took a lot of grease. Like I said, it's probably never been greased before. So our next step is going to be to take off the gas tank and stuff and clean all that grass on top of that steering gear and stuff. But it's still hard, and it shouldn't be like that. So it looks like we gotta take this bracket off here, and we're gonna take this bottom bracket. I could just take the bottom bracket out and leave that hooked up maybe. Let's see. That takes a torque. And there's two on the other side. There we go. Look at all that grass in there. Grab the trash can and get all that grass. It is just packed in there. I figured that. You have to get underneath and get that head of that bolt. Looks like a 1/2 inch on the other bolt there. I had to put a pair of vice grips on the top because 1/2 inch is too big and the 12 and 13 is too big and too small. So why the heck? You don't fit more inches. Oh, I see the problem right now. It's all packed full of junk. I mean, it's hard as a rock too. Now I might actually steer. When we install this, you have the wheels straight and your steering wheel straight, and you put it right in the center. The little worm gear on the steering shaft, you put it right in the center. You put it too far in one way or too far that way, it'll turn good one way and it won't turn the other way. So we gotta have it right in the center. Well, stuff like that happens when you never clean nothing. There's a lot of debris and stuff in there, and over the years it just got compact and made it so you could hardly turn. Well, this thing's gonna turn now. Now the fun part of getting there, either getting them bolts and nuts up through there. So let me double check everything. The steering wheel is straight. The wheels are straight. Just double checking it. Well, it looks good. Alright, well, I'm going to crawl over there and bolt that back up real quick. Okay, got the vice grip on the top of the bolt. Oh yeah, look at that now. Well, that's gonna turn good now. All right, let's hook up this tie rod here. Okay, now it's gotta put that gas tank back in here. Oh, that's just so much better. It turns sharp, but the jack stands are hitting the tie rod between both wheels, but that turns so much easier now. I guess a little preventive maintenance. Don't let grass build up back there. Always keep it clean. But if your lawnmower is like that, you could easily do that yourself. You don't need to take that to no shop. You just need a half-inch socket, 9/16 inch socket, a half-inch wrench, a 9/16 inch wrench, and a pair of vice grips, and a little torque-headed wrench. Heck, you could do this yourself. Let's install the gas tank now. Get one start on this side here, then we'll line the other side up. Just going to start it. I'm not going to tighten that up yet. Okay, I got the hood back on it and everything. Look at it now. Well, they're going to like this. So much better. Anyway, if you have a problem like this, I hope this video will help you out. I appreciate you watching my videos. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyways, you guys have a good afternoon.